Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety and identifying failures. Jack the trailer securely, chock wheels, and remove the boat if possible so you can access bunks. Inspect carpet, plywood, brackets, and bolts. Mark damaged spots with tape so you don't miss them. Once marked, loosen but do not remove suspect bolts to test movement and fit. Make sure to measure bunk height and spacing now so replacement bunks or repositioning keeps the hull supported evenly. With bolts out, lift each bunk assembly off the trailer and lay it on sawhorses for repair. Strip old carpet and inspect the wood. Cut out and replace any soft sections using marine-grade plywood, matching dimensions. Reattach new carpet using marine adhesive and staples in a staggered pattern, smoothing to avoid lumps. Once cured, reassemble hardware and test fit on the trailer, making sure mounting brackets sit flush, and that bunks reinstall bunk assemblies and tighten bolts to the specified torque, using locking washers or blue thread locker to prevent loosening. Adjust vertical position and fore-aft angle so the hull contacts the bunks along the designed support points. Small shims behind brackets help fine-tune alignment. Once adjusted, slowly load the boat and observe contact patches, making sure pressure is even. If you hear scraping or the hull tilts, stop, lower the boat, and correct the bunk angle or spacing. Misalignment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.